think it should happen at multiple levels. So I think that you have to have the discussions at the highest level possible. And certainly I think that the lead trade officials should talk regularly. But I also think that we need to have more conversation among regulators, people who are maybe not at the highest level politically, but are making day-to-day decisions when something tries to cross a border. That has to happen, and I don't think that's happened enough. And I think that business has to also be talking. I'm hearing a lot of buzz from the private sector. The work that I've done as a senior advisor with the Corporate Council on Africa puts us in touch with companies constantly who are doing business in these regions. They are out there already, and they are busy, and they are looking at these markets very seriously. There are serious commercial opportunities. But I think that we have to find ways to take what they're thinking about and put it into the context of some of these trade conversations in a more systematic way. And I think, again, we can do that through AGOA, we can do that through the TIFAs, we can do that through this East African Community Trade and Investment Partnership, and perhaps there are other ways that we can do that too, but that would be where I would strengthen. I would strengthen the conversation amongst the regulators and those who are applying customs measures and applying standards and using these systems and building the systems, and strengthen the conversation with the business community.